Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple cable to load games from your smartphone into your ZX Spectrum. Excuse the voiceover quality, but I'm a cheap bastard and I need to repair a lot more stuff in order to buy a decent microphone. Yeah, I hope you have fun making your own cable and playing lots of new games. So, let's do it. So, this is all you need. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. This side is done. Now on this side, this is where we need to be extra careful. So the tip is the red one and the ground is the white one. So we should connect pin 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should connect pin 2 to ground and the pins 3 and 4 to signal. So let's do the connection. We strip the wires. Put some new solder. And this is what I call an idiot with a perfect aim. And then connect them to the right places. To this big piece of metal nothing is connected. It's only used to hold the cable. And the white wire goes to this one, that is pin 3, and the other two have the red wire connected. So let's insert the white one. Insert the white one there and solder it. We hold it in place with this alligator and put a generous amount of solder to hold it in place. Okay, it's done. Nice and pretty. And now we will do the red wire. Red wire, I like to put it on the inside like this and then let the solder melt and flow to it, and it will get soldered. This is what you must do. These two pins connect to the red wire, that is this pin right here, and this pin that is ground should be the third one from the point 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So pin 2 is ground, pins 3 and 4 are signal. So doing this, you can connect your smartphone to your ZX Spectrum and load games using any common app to do that. Make sure that everything is tight, make sure that no pins are shorting, and now you can put your sleeve over it and screw it in place. So here you have your ZX Spectrum cable to load games with Play ZX app. Yeah, just it. Let's test. This is the app I use to play Spectrum games. It's called Play ZX, and you have a lot of games to choose from, and you can have your favorites. So let's test with Manic Miner as usual. Here we have my personal 48K ZX Spectrum, and this is the cable I've made. You connect it to the ear port with a mono jack, and then we connect to the smartphone. There you go, loading games perfectly. So here you have, it's the perfect tool to have when you have a smartphone with a headphone jack and a ZX Spectrum without a cassette recorder. So I hope you learned to do your own cable on this video, and I hope you have fun playing lots and lots of games on your ZX Spectrum. Have fun, take care, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!